The Discover concept is something that we've been working on for quite a while. In fact, if I let you in on a secret, this product was initially scheduled for a release last year, but we decided to hold it back for a full 6 months in order to allow us time to run literally thousands of samples through the system, both here at Foster & Freeman and in the field at some of the world's leading forensic labs in the UK, mainland Europe, and of course the USA. The end result is that we have a system that is built entirely around the end user and has been optimized to get the best possible results when imaging both the most common and the most challenging types of evidence that labs routinely encounter. I'll explain in more detail as we take a closer look at the Discover hardware. You'll see that when the Auto is docked, the system's camera lens and multispectral illumination ring are positioned directly above the examination area. Unlike a typical copy stand setup, the Discover gantry provides smooth X, Y and Z axis positioning over the evidence. We had experimented with frictionless movement of the gantry, but user feedback suggested that some level of resistance was preferable and actually made it easier for the examiner to position the camera accurately. You may have noticed buttons on each of the gantry's handles. These buttons simply lock and unlock the X and Y axis of the gantry. Now, in our first example, we used the Crime-lite AUTO's integral LED light ring to illuminate the evidence and perform a fluorescent examination. This time, we're going to use one of the Discover system's specialist illumination modules to light our evidence. The Discover system includes several specialist illumination modules, and each of these is designed to improve results when photographing treated and latent finger marks on a variety of substrate types. First up, we're going to take a look at the diffuse panel light. The diffuse panel light module lives in here. It's tucked away in the base of the Discover beneath the examination stage. This module slots into the unit under the Discover gantry, where it provides a nice, even, visible and near-infrared illumination across the entire examination area. You'll notice that the light plate itself and the way that it slots into place in the Discover are really very robust. A lot of finger mark imaging and photography systems include small and fiddly components, but with Discover nothing is fiddly, everything is easy to handle and use, and ultimately the whole thing has been built to last many thousands of examinations in a busy laboratory environment. So when we slot our diffuse panel light into place, Discover recognises the module and activates the relevant icon in the software interface. If we select that icon and you choose either visible or infrared illumination, you can see the module and the evidence beneath illuminate. Diffuse light is widely used for the photography of finger marks on surfaces where we need to eliminate the glare of directional lighting. The next accessory module that I want to show you is the coaxial illumination module. So let's remove our diffuse panel light and switch it over to the coaxial illumination module. Again, Discover recognises the module and the corresponding icon appears on the screen. Let's switch our evidence to a smartphone with a latent finger mark on its screen. The coaxial illumination module uses mirrors to change the axis of illumination and photography in order to eliminate reflections. This is a technique that some photographers may previously have shied away from using, but as you can see, when using Discover, the coaxial illumination module is incredibly easy to use and the results speak for themselves. Another advanced technique that many labs may not currently be equipped to perform is cylindrical surface unwrapping. Our CSU2 is an optional accessory for the Discover, which enables examiners to create flat, two-dimensional images of a finger mark left on a three-dimensional cylindrical surface. That could be a tool, a pen, or perhaps, like in this example, a fired bullet casing.